Harvey, Loose Sack.
I am Tim Horton. Just letting you know that right now. So, if you go to Tim Horton, ask for Tim Horton.
Do a 360.
Tim Horton. What?
Do a 360.
Coming in hot.
Here we go. I'm here with Brother David. Brother David. Helicopter. Hey guys, guys say hi.
Yep.
Yeah, guys say hi. It's a vlog.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yo, get it.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Whoa! Alright guys, it's turning around and it's landing. I'll get a video when it's landing, alright.
Why is everyone wearing this coat?
What's up, girls?
What's up, DB Drip? Show off the fit.
Excuse you.
Do you know who we are?
It's the last dress down ever.
Yo, what size are those, Joe?
They're my size.
Uh-huh.
I'll be my size.
I'll be the goofy out of you.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, you look pretty good. You suck. I got you on this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me get the...
Oh!
Upside down.
That can't be.
I'm reversing your reversal of your reversal.
We are live here from St. Anthony's, room 130.
I have a reverse card and you don't.
Reverse card.
Oh.
Is it rolling? Hi. So my outfit of the day, my top's from American Eagle, like my jumper. Then this is from Banana Republic.
Alright, so we got Smithtown Bay Yacht Club, rain jacket. Shut the fuck up.
I wasn't done. And then Kate Spade's
You can censor that out, right?
Jane Dover.
Yeah. Alright,
Jane
weird.
Dover backpack.
Don't listen to her.
Head noggin.
I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Cargo shorts match with the New Balances. They're a little beat up, but it's part of it's how I express myself. Shut the fuck up, mother. If you don't stop talking,
See, this is why we have problems in our
you
relationship.
gotta look like my wife. You know that. You know that, right? You know that, right? Alright.
What's it like in New York City? We're 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty as you do. Nowhere can shine as bright as you. You know it's true. There's a lot of what you like in New York City.
Cue the music.
Hi guys, I'm gonna film. We're gonna film Michael's fit check. Tell us where's the shirt from?
You're holding it the wrong way. No, you have to hold
Where's
it
the shirt
sideways.
from? Where's your shirt from?
Yeah.
Where are the pants from?
Yeah.
Where are the shoes from?
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
It's not staying.
Do you guys know who I am? Mr. B6000. Jake Podolsky. Jake Podolsky.
good.
Bro, my baby son. My baby son. My baby son Colin. Yes, sir.
Where do you
What you guys say, guys?
Nothing.
What up,
Where do
Gil?
you sit?
What up, Gilbert? Yo, Gilbert, sounds good, bro.
What up, bro?
Yeah.
Gilbert got that
What you say?
fit.
I love you.
Love it. That hoodie, bro, it's
Yo.
so comfy.
Speedy recovery. They don't want to see my boy win. My boy can't catch a break, bro.
Do you know who I am? Andrew.
Ryan, you a big surfer?
Said no power tools in the house, Dale.
Man, shut your cute ass up. Man, shut your cute ass up, boy. Shut your cute ass up, boy. Shut your cute ass up, boy. Hey, whoa, okay. Hey, T, G, T, G, T, G. Hey, oh, fuck it up. Hey, fuck it up. Me. Give me that. What up, Shane?
I didn't even get it, dude. That's the worst part.
I had to give up. Rips my shirt off. Don't rip my shirt. Mr. Beast.
Horrible. Like the last couple days, it was horrible. My room is like,
Yo, let me get a post.
when did you guys even do this?
We did it while we were watching the story of
That
Nick.
kid's not real. That kid is not real. The posty thing? You know, I started off.
That's an head. No.
Just copped. There you go, Biz. Shout out Sammy.
Thanks, guys.
Head noggin.
Shout out Canada. Tim Hortons. We're here with Tim Horton.
What year was Tim Horton?
I said we're here with Tim Horton. You're Tim Horton.
Hi, Tim.
That's right. Pull up to Tim Hortons in Comac. And scene. Let's swim to the moon.
Fly me to the moon.
You know John Oliver?
I don't even like Canada. But you like Mexico.